Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the second semester of LA1 Online. So this week, we are going to start reading the book, Tears of a Tiger. Many of you have already picked up your paper copies of that from the high school office. If you haven't, do that as soon as possible. But if you're not able to, there are PDFs of the book posted right here. Actually down here, Tears of a Tiger PDFs. So it's all in sections. So it is available for you online. Also, another neat thing you might do before you start reading the book is watch this trailer. It's made by a student. I found it randomly on YouTube, but it really does help set the tone of the book and kind of give you an idea of just a basic overview. So a little bit about the book, Tears of a Tiger. Thing one, it deals with serious topics. So do be aware of that. It deals with topics like drunk driving and, death, depression. So it's not the world's most cheerful book. It is pretty serious, but it's well written. And it just makes a person think about a lot of these issues. So that's one reason why we're reading it. Now, a few things about it, the way it's written. It's a multi-genre book. So multi-genre is when something has many genres or subgenres, like different types of writing all in the same book. So you notice it starts out with a newspaper article. And so that part is written in very formal language, like a newspaper article would be. And then in that second chapter, we go to a locker room conversation. And so it doesn't even have speaker tags like normally we would put in dialogue. It has these dashes just to show another person's talking. And so you have to figure out who's talking. And sometimes you don't even know. But it's just like if you were in a locker room and there was conversation spinning all around you, that's how that chapter is set up. Then you go to another chapter and it's the dialogue of a phone call. So it's just between two people. And then you go to another chapter, it's a statement to the police. So again, more formal, it's dialogue again, but between a police officer and a teenager. Another chapter, it's set up like a prayer. The character is praying. Again, more chapters, you go down, a homework assignment. And some of these things you'll notice are written in different types of writing. So this is in not quite cursive, but definitely script language. And that's because of this word right here, verisimilitude. So as you can see, that means the appearance of being true or real. It's like, it's made to look like it's from a real person's homework assignment. There are other parts of this book that are made to look like a letter or made to look like a diary entry. And so it's made to look like the author gathered all of these sources from different characters. Now it is fiction, but again, this verisimilitude makes it look like it could really happen and really get these ideas from different people. So it's set up very interestingly in that way. And that's one reason why we're reading it, even though it is, again, quite a serious book. And I do want to state that some folks might find it pretty triggering with stuff. I mean, I do. It's not happy-go-lucky, unicorns and rainbows type book, but it is good. So that is what we're doing this week. Again, your assignment is to read pages 1 through 34. You have questions over it. Most of these questions you can just answer in a word. They're just comprehension questions. So you don't necessarily even have to write in complete sentences. Just, type in your answer like this one. What sports team did Washington captain? Just like the name of their mascot or the name of the school and the mascot. Down here at the bottom, you're just choosing one of those questions, and we're going to use the one you answer. You'll use that to make a post on a discussion board for next week. So that's what you need to have done by this Friday, this worksheet, and pages 1 through 34. All right, I will see you in our class meeting on Wednesday.